All right, welcome back to the class. The next function that we'll be looking at is called the ABS function, actually absolute function. The absolute function is an arithmetic function. It is used in Excel to return the absolute value of a number. The absolute value is the distance of a number from zero, so regardless of its sign. So this means that the function converts negative number to positive while leaving positive numbers unchanged. So you simply use the function ABS and you pick the reference or you put the number. So the ABS function is useful in financial, statistical, or engineering applications where the only magnitude of a number is required, irrespective of its sign. So the key features here is that it removes negative sign and then it converts that value to positive. It works with number and also cell reference. That means it can be used with numbers, formulas, cells, or references. And then, of course, it handles non-numeric value. In that case, when you apply it to a non-numeric value, it returns a value error um, response. So now let's go into the Excel worksheet and see how this ABS function works. Okay, so now we said it converts. I have this, somebody asked me this question one time. One of my past students said, sorry, I have a lot of negative values and I'm trying to convert them to positive. And I said, okay, there are two ways. I know that what some people do is simply to take that value and multiply that value with minus 1. Okay, so if you do that, you can get that. But if you don't want to use that, then you can use the ABS function, which is simply ABS, and then you pick the number, and then you hit enter, and you get the same answer. Okay, so you can also use it to get the sum of values in positive. So in a situation where you are trying to sum values, and then look at these values, if I pick them like this, and then I get 86, but I can say ABS and then put the sum in that ABS. So equals ABS sum, and then of course I get the value in positive. So it has done what it needs to do, but it's giving me the positive. Now this is not that it is changing the sign to the sign in the values to positive so that the values will be added as positive. No. But the reason for this is there are times when even if you know that the response that you're going to get from a value is negative, the total, you don't want the total to appear as a negative value. Maybe you want it to appear as a positive value. So you want to use the ABS function to convert that range using even another function inside the ABS. As you can see, another function in the ABS. In this case, we used it for a single number and then copy the formula for every other. Now, for the sum product, the sum product is a situation where you have the multiplication and the addition of value. Okay, so if you are going to do the sum product of this value, for instance, it's going to give you something like minus 72. And then, so let's say you do sum product, you pick this array, and then you pick that. Yes, it gives you minus 72. So now, but if you don't want to get that, you can easily say, okay, let my sum product be wrapped inside ABS. So where you have the sum product of the value, you pick the first array, comma, you pick the second array, you close your bracket, and then you hit the enter key. Okay, so what did I do wrong there? ABS sum product, maybe let's see, sum product ABS. Okay, I must have missed something here. Oh, sorry, I missed I missed the value here. So this is supposed to be D13. Good. So it gives me 72 because the ABS has removed the negative value. So it's not changing the calculation, it's not changing your result, it's just helping you to remove the negative value. So in any kind of calculation you are doing that requires, eliminating the negative value, so you can wrap that function or the number in ABS function, within the ABS function. So that is the ABS absolute function. It converts negative value into an absolute value. So see you in another class. We'll be looking at another function. Bye for now.